Hey guys, Colleen Lindbergh here with your weekly video tip. Today we're going to talk about strategy. How are you implementing strategy in your business? A lot of us have started up our business models without a plan. We just said, let's go get it started, let's throw mud against the wall, and we will figure it out as we move through. That is not a strategy. Now it's a time to create a strategy. We're coming into the last month of the summer, going into fall, September, and it's the last quarter of the year coming up really, really quickly on us. And it's time to reframe inside of our business models to make sure we're hitting our end goals this year. So how are you doing that? Do you have a strategy for how you hire, or the growth of the business, or retention of clients, or marketing, or social media? Or are you just throwing stuff against the wall, trying everything out, you're not sure where things are going, and you have no strategy for clarity? The plan will duplicate itself, and if you work the plan will grow the business. But most of us are in reaction mode all the time because stuff is happening. If we're entrepreneurs, stuff happens every day. Urgency shows up, client calls show up, client complaints potentially, new team members not showing up. And not that that's all negative, but that creates a reaction space for us. And if we don't have a plan every single day going into that day, knowing exactly what we need to execute and following the plan, you are not making the most out of your day, and you're not as productive as you can be or efficient. Therefore, things are getting left off the table. So every single business owner should have a strategy for their business. Some piece that they can reference back, they know exactly why they're doing what they're doing. If you do not have one, I highly suggest you sit with yourself to create one. If you don't know what to do or how to do that, reach out. I can help you frame that. I can do that with you, whether it's just a one-off call, we create the strategy, you can go implement, or you need help implementing the strategy. Whatever that is for you inside of your day, you have options. But seriously, if you are waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting because you're too busy to think about strategy, something is disconnected and you're missing out on a lot of money. So that is the tip of the week this week for my YouTube videos on strategy, and I hope that you guys are out there implementing that in your life, in your business, and getting everything that you want out of your life, because you have an impact to make in the world. So how are you pushing that through to make sure that you get the most of that and people get to feel and see and be around you with the products and services that you provide that give them value? So that's my tip for this week. I hope you guys are having an excellent day, and we'll see you guys soon.